bestseller about the Toyota Way. The Toyota Way becomes a very famous philosophy, and it becomes a benchmark around the world. My first question is, what have made the Toyota Way this greatest reference of success?
So I think that there are two things that are really important about thinking about the Toyota Way. And the first is that it's a system, although we often think about it as tools, as flow, or as value stream maps, the truth is it's a system based first on long-term thinking and on purpose. So when you think about why your organization exists, whether manufacturing or whether you're a service organization, Toyota Way is first based on what is the purpose that our organization exists in the world wider than just to make money, but how are we going to serve our customers and make a better world? And the second point really is around customers. So Toyota Way is very focused on customer needs. And let's think about this, whether you're a manufacturing business or whether you're a service organization, the truth is, at the very basis, all organizations exist for one reason only, and they exist to serve customers. It's really simple. No customers, then you don't have any business. It doesn't matter whether you're making cars, whether you're a hotel, whether you're an airline, and in fact, in this COVID-19 time, we found all of this to be true. So Toyota Way, first and foremost, focuses on long-term purpose. Second, on what are the ways that we can flow value the most effective, efficient way to our customers, and thinking at every moment, what is our customers' needs? And especially in service, because service really means putting the needs of customers before our own. So I think that's really what makes Toyota Way most special. Purpose and focus on customer first.
Great, that's great. So here we have another very used expression. It's called customer-centric. It's the way to think that customer is in the middle of everything and you have to take care of everything related on it. My second question is about our environment. Nowadays we are talking about a lot about COVID-19 and their impact, the exponential growth of technology and their impact on the market. How do you see the impact of lean thinking in our global economy?
Actually, I think it's even more important now to use lean thinking to actually have an impact. When you think about the way that Toyota started, it was at the time of a crisis for Japan. After World War II, Japan was decimated, and they needed a way not only to catch up to the rest of the world and the USA in manufacturing productivity, but also a way to repair the country. They were in a time and a situation where nobody knew what to do. Think about it. That's exactly what's happened to all of us. In one moment, our world changed from COVID-19. We were all working away, and then suddenly we all have to be at home. Things that we previously thought were impossible. People said, oh no, there is no way to have everybody working at home and to serving our customers from home. There's no way we can go to the Gemba by video chat. All of those things that we know from Toyota Way, focus on customers, think about long-term purpose, flow value, concentrate on our processes, use our creativity to figure out how. Those are all the things in the Toyota Way that are going to help us the most now. Now is when we need this the most.
Yeah, for sure. That now it's more important than ever to think lean, to use techniques and methodologies to improve our results and getting better. I agree with you. We have that we know that you have a project. It's called Women in Lean. I would like you to share with us how women are getting into this area.
First of all, thank you so much for asking me about that, because women in lean is something that I've been very passionate about for many years. I've gone to many conferences, and oftentimes I'm the only woman speaking, but when I look out into the audience, I see at least 50% of the people who are coming to learn are women. And I decided what we need is to really raise the voices of women in lean. So I started the group Women in Lean almost 1 year ago. We are now a global group, 400 women from across the whole world. Our purpose is growth, personal and professional growth, to help and support each other. And we are a co-creative community. So although I and Crystal Davis and Dorsey Sherman are the founding mothers, everybody is allowed to start whatever kind of table or group that they want. So we're co-creative, we support each other, we have learning interchanges, we're going to be producing our own magazine, and it's an unbelievably supportive community dedicated to helping women in lean, whether they want to own their own business, whether they want to improve their skills and move up in their company. And actually, we have a special table for women in lean Latinas, and if you want more information about that, I'm always happy to give it at the end.
Okay, great. Congrats for your job. It's amazing. 400 women. I'd like to understand more about it, because it's a challenge for us here to find out and discover women who love lean manufacturing, these methodologies, and I believe that we have to be together. Congrats again for it. My last question is about the creativity. Experts say that creativity is one of the most important skills to a future professional. How to combine creativity and lean thinking to reach service excellence?
So that's absolutely a great question. I don't come to the world of lean from the world of business. I come to the world of lean through the world of art. So I actually have a master's degree in sculpture. So for me, PDCA is the creative process. It's not just how we solve problems that we already had in the past. It's the way that we create new ways for the future. Think about the time we're in now. Customers who never want to hear the words "I can't" are in situations where we have no idea how to meet their needs. So our creativity, our ability to have divergent thinking, to think about many possible ways how we could do something, and then try them out and see what's going to work, PDCA, that's really where we are now. So unbelievably important that we don't teach people just that lean is about finding the one root cause. It's really about creating all different new ways to work, which, think about Toyota production system, all the new ways they've created to work. Sakichi Toyoda, the grandfather of Toyota production system, is known as the king of inventors in Japan. And if you look at his 5 precepts, he actually talks about the need to be creative in them.
Thank you very much for your presence today and all your knowledge that you share with us. I'm sure our students will enjoy it a lot, and I'm very proud again to have you here. It's a new challenge of Voito, of my job, and it's a great opportunity to connect with people around the world. And I think that it was a great first experience for us to have this interview and to get this knowledge for our students. Thank you very much again.
You are very welcome. Muito obrigada, and it is wonderful to be with you. I'm happy to help anytime.
Obrigado a todos vocês, que eu tenho certeza que cruzaram os dedos aí para fazer isso tudo dar certo.